Hi everyone, and welcome to the back 40 feet. And I'm out here in the back 40 looking at mint. So anything in the mint family can do these things called runners. So we pulled these up. This is my sister's project for the day. And you can see that there's a plant, and then it runs a little bit along the root, and then there's some more plants. So some of these can be many feet long when you really look at them. So I'm pointing this out because that means that they can spread really effectively. If you don't want your mint, anything in the mint family, to be spreading in your garden, I would suggest to put it in a container. Out here in the herb garden, I don't really mind, but it's definitely got a little out of control. This one is called black stem peppermint, which is true peppermint. I can smell it from here, and you can see that it's a bit darker. So this is really that pure peppermint oil flavor. It's really great for mojitos. And what we're going to do with that today is we're going to relocate it. So there's some over there in the herb garden, but it's gotten out of control, and we're going to put this near the shed, all around the base of the shed, because a lot of critters like mice do not like the smell of peppermint oil, and it'll be a nice deterrent. We haven't had them in the shed, but we've had them under the shed, so this might keep them away. I'm surprised that they haven't gotten into our bird seed, but just, one more natural deterrent that we can use.